Let's have some fun. Christmas time has begun.
Come with us on this sweet adventure.
Ho 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 and Merry Christmas! Hello kids! Welcome to my channel. This is Auntie Anna, and guess who is my guest today? Again! Yes, this is Blue. Hi
Hello,
Blue!
everyone.
With Blue we're gonna try all the Christmas sweets. Yummy!
Yum, 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 yum.
We're gonna open Christmas calendar, chocolate Christmas calendar that has 24 chocolates inside, and Blue gonna eat them all. Let's see what is in number one. Number one I will open is a magic chocolate in the shape of Christmas tree. Yummy! Blue, this is for you. Yum, yum, yum. It's delicious.
Yum, 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 yum. So delicious, so delicious.
Try to eat it as much as you can. And number two, let's see number two. Number two is a chocolate in the shape of Christmas shoe. Christmas shoe. Here you go, Blue. This is for you.
Christmas tree. Ice skates. Christmas sock. Reindeer. Snowflake. Christmas bubble. Star. Horseshoe. Christmas sack. Bell. Candy cane. Christmas house. Snowman. Angel. Another star. Even more stars. Santa. Christmas hat. Present. A bow. Mistletoe. Christmas bird. Gingerbread. Christmas glove.
And all of the delicious chocolates are here from 1 till 24. We have candy canes. They are tutti frutti flavor, cola flavor, watermelon flavor, cherry flavor. Yummy! Which flavor do you like the most? I think I like tutti frutti. Let's see, and let's open them with my magic scissors. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. This one is tutti frutti for you. For you, my Christmas helper. Blue, you will get the tutti frutti. Let me check, let me open. Yes, 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 yes. Tutti frutti candy cane for you. I think it's delicious. Coca-Cola, tutti frutti, Coca-Cola. Delicious candy cranes. Delicious candy cranes. How to open? How to open? Good that I have my magic scissors. So I can open them all. And my helper, Blue, can try them all. And for you, Blue, I'm opening. Yummy.
Give me.
Just 2 pieces even for you. Yum and Blue. I know that you like it.
And now we will show you the candy canes up close. First coming up is the tutti frutti flavor. So delicious, and we have double of these. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So many. The next flavor that we are going to show you is the watermelon flavor. Of these, we only have 1 and 2. The next flavor is also delicious. It's the cola flavor. We only have 1 because the second one Blue ate. And the last one is the cherry flavor. We also have double of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I have, yum yum, I'm sorry, I'm eating too, it's delicious. I have Christmas keychains with delicious jelly beans candies. I have them in the shape of Christmas gift, snowman, Santa, and Christmas glove, and snowman. Which one would you like to try, Blue? Maybe I will open for you the snowman. Let me open. Again, I need my secret, beautiful Christmas scissors. They are red color like a Christmas. And I need to cut the box. Shach. And I'm opening this Christmas chain. It's amazing. Do we eat the Christmas chain? No. But we can eat the Christmas candies in the shape of jelly beans. Here you go. Blue, let's try. Delicious.
This candy is my favorite because we have 2 in 1. We have a keychain and jelly beans. So we have a toy and some sweets. We have the present shape, glove shape, penguin shape, snowman shape, Christmas tree shape, present shape, and a Santa shape. So you have different ones to pick from. But first, we have to unpack these sweets and the keychain. And of course, to open these, we need to use our magic scissors. Cut, 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 cut. And look what we have here. We have the Santa keychain you can use for your keys or your backpack or anything you want. And jelly beans, which are probably lemon flavored. That's what we guess.
Now I will open Christmas lollipops. And they look very delicious. I have like a red and white lollipop, and green and white lollipop, and maybe I will open this one, red and white. Let's see.
Can you just open it already?
Oh, how to open. Bam! Magic! Delicious! For you, Blue, let's try the lollipop. Yummy! It looks delicious, right? Yum, yum. Delicious lollipop.
Look at these magical Christmas tree lollipops. We will show you them up close and what colors we have. We have green with white and we have red with white. Let's see how to open these. You will definitely need scissors to open these because this is not so easy. Oh no, look at this! This one broke in half. But that's okay, we will open another one and hope that it's in one piece. We are trying to cut open the second one. Dum da da dum. Cut, 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 cut. And it's red and white, and it's in one piece. It didn't break. Delicious.
Sweet mix Christmas lollipops. Wow, they are in the many shapes. Let me open them with my magic special secret scissors. They look so delicious, like a marshmallows. And they are in the shape of snowman, Christmas star, and Christmas ball. It's beautiful. and for sure tastes delicious. Yummy. I will give you one blue, okay? Here you go. Again delicious. I think it's very delicious.
And what are these? These are huge lollipops where we have the snowman, a Christmas bell, a Christmas bauble, and a star. Let's cut it right up and we'll show you how it looks when it's opened up. This looks really cool and yummy.
Candy dispensers in the shape of so many Christmas figures like elf, like snowman, Santa, reindeer, and I think it's some kind of even cookie. Which one to open? Which one to open? Which one do you want, Blue? I will open for you the maybe Santa. Let's open Santa. Again, I'm gonna need my Christmas scissors. And I will make cut. Christmas dispenser is coming to me. Like this. And has some Christmas special delicious candies. I think they are in the flavor of lemon because they are yellow color. What do you think, Blue? For sure they're gonna be yellow. And we need to put them in the dispenser. Here is very easy, very simple. Click, click, and like this, they work. Click, 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 click. Here you go for you.
Best day ever.
And now we would like to show you the candy dispensers, so magical. We have here a lot of them. We have the snowman, the elf, the reindeer, another snowman, a gingerbread, and we have another reindeer as well, and Santa. Now to use it, you need to put all of the candy inside, and then, as you can see, you can eat the sweets from the dispenser. So fun!
Chocolate Santa, chocolate Santa, chocolate Santa. For sure it's gonna be very sweet and delicious. I have a chocolate Santa in the shape of the Santa Claus. Let me bite it. Delicious. Here you go. A little bit for you, Blue. Or all. Who doesn't like cookies? I love cookies and Blue love cookies. We have a cookies as a gingerbread. Let's see what is inside of this box. Let me use the scissors. Oh wow, magic, magic. Probably they are delicious cookies. Look at this, delicious for you, Blue. Here you go. Gingerbread cookies.
Dum da da dum! What do we have here? We have the gingerbread man. And what's inside? Golden wrapped cookies. And they are the macaroon shaped cookies. They are probably very, very delicious. They are all in this blue light color.
Delicious butter flavor cookies, special in the Christmas beautiful box. I will give you one, Blue, okay? You're so lucky
Yes,
to eat
please.
so many cookies and sweets with me today. Here you go, one for you.
And now we will show you something really simple but still delicious. These are butter cookies, Christmas butter cookies. And as you can see, we have different shapes, a lot of shapes of these cookies.
Hello, hello everyone. Let's sing a song. Let's have some fun. Christmas chocolate every day in my calendar. Hooray, hooray, lollipops that swirl so Christmas feels just right. Candy, candy, sweet and fun. Gingerbread man on the run. Christmas treats for everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Goodbye, goodbye, the class is done. Goodbye, goodbye, it was so fun. See you soon, we will meet again. Goodbye for now, my dear friends. Goodbye, goodbye, the class is done. Goodbye, goodbye, it was so fun. See you soon, we will meet again. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.